Hello friends and my dear students. We have already discussed how to apply loops in Python, and we also discussed the while loop in Python. And this time I am going to tell you or demonstrate a program which takes an integer and checks whether this integer is palindromic or not. So without wasting time, we move to our Python. So here we are in Python creating a program. So this is a new file. Comment string an integer and checking whether this integer is a palindromic. I'm taking one integer, enter. So for that I am going to select an identifier. This is say num. Num is equal to int input integer. This way I have taken one integer. I'm taking one integer. I'm going to copy this integer into another identifier. So this is num1 is equal to num. And using while loop, I'm going to segregate the digits of the number entered and building a new number or new integer equivalent to the integer entered, or rather you can say I'm going to reverse this integer. So for that, see here, num is not equals to 0 colon, taking the remainder, num modulo 10, and this is the formula to get the number reversed. So the number, I'm taking one integer like reverse, which should be initialized to 0. So reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus r, and num is equal to 10. So this is row division, and this way what I'm doing here, I'm getting the remainder. Each time I'll divide the number, and whichever remainder we get, we are implementing that remainder in this formula, which is going to hold the reverse number of the integer entered. For example, if I am taking say integer, the num is say 123, and if I am getting r is equal to num modulo 10, will give you r as 3, and here in this line rev, which is already 0 into 10, plus r, which is already 3. So this way it will give rev as 3, and this line reduces the value of num through division root of num upon 10. So this process is repeated until num gets 0. So in each step, num is reducing, and when you divide it by 10, every time one integer goes up. Okay, and after this process, I'm going to check, or I'll print the entered number, the entered integer is num1. Why num1 I am taking here? Because during this process of the loop, num reduces to 0, and as soon as it reduces to 0, it that loop is terminated and it comes to this statement. And the reversed number is now rev, and this time I'm going to check whether this number is palindrome or not. So I have to check the reversed number which I have built. So if REB and the copied number, that is num1, the copy of num, if this, then print the number entered is a palindromic number, else print number is not a palindromic number. So this is the entire process. Now we can save it and run it. So it will ask for the name to save this program. Before running, I just said palindrome integer. It is asking for the integer. So this is 1, 2, 3. It says the number is 1, 2, 3, and reversed is 321, and this number is not palindromic number. Again, if I run this program, and this time if I give another integer which say 343, and this says the entered integer is this and the reverse number is this, so and that is why this is a palindromic number. So a palindromic number is one which on reversing gives the same number. So this way we can reverse the number. This way we can check whether the entered integer is palindromic or not. So hope you understand this program, and if you understand this program, kindly share with your friends, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the notification of new video when uploaded. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.